What is going on, guys? It's about racing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we are here to visit Jordan, DailyDiecastSG, and we finally had the opportunity to come visit him, to visit his shop. We have not visited, and since I'm here, I thought, you know what, let's do a video. So you gotta remove your shoes. This is his shop. I'll put an address in the description below, so to check it out. But yeah, the moment you open the door, you are greeted with a bunch of Hot Wheels, and trust me, you can spend the whole day here and you'll still not be enough. So we start off with a bunch of premiums here. We've got amazing cars premiums. We've got the Advent premium right here. We've got a bunch of Mainlines, all for sale. And then here he sells these by set. So if you guys are looking for sets, this is where you come as well. And there's Jordan, the boss. He's obviously as busy as usual. So we'll get back to him in a bit. I just want to show you everything that he has in the shop, and I hope you guys know what to expect next time you guys come over. So here it's what I'll call his centerpiece, right? Because this is where all the amazing cars are at, or a bunch of them. So here you've got what Jordan calls the Holy Grail, right? So you've got custom works, we've got the custom convention, the Datsuns, right? The original pieces went for high prices. When at the back we've got the custom Ghostbusters, the what was that? The Back to the Future, yeah, I completely forgot. And then we've got the Toyota AE86 right there as well. And then from here, if I look at the bottom, we've got loose pieces, and these are for sale. So Jordan told me these are for sale. We've got a Super Treasure Hunt, a Ford right there, and then we've got the Ferrari 5-packs, another 5-pack right there. And if you look here, these are all custom works. So these are all customs done by people, and you guys can see, look at the paint job over there, very nicely done. These are all for sale. So if you guys are interested in that, or even Tommy cars, if you guys want premium Tommy cars, mainline Tommy cars, old school Tommy cars are here as well. And right beside this, we will get back to this towards the end of the video, because there is a little surprise on this, so I'll hold on to that. And then here we've got a shelf, we've got your 64s, your micro turbo. So this came out recently, a pink micro turbo model, and the cool thing about this is the headlights pop up. So if you guys ever want this, here's the person to check it out. And from here, before we go to the other side, I want to show you guys this. So these are a bunch of Ferrari racers. Now if you guys are Ferrari fans, obviously you guys know this, you can't find them off retail. So here you can get almost a lot of the Ferrari models. Brilliant. I mean, the F333 SP, right? It's one of my favorite models. He's got that. And then we've got auto walls right here. We've got green lights. If you guys are green light fans, you've got your Tarmac Works, your M2s. We've got Team Transports. A lot of you like Team Transport as well. Speed machines, guys. I know speed machines are high on the price level, but these cars are amazing, and he's got a bunch of them. We've got custom works right here as well, and then your collector editions, which are very normal. Your RLCs, if you guys want the pink R34, recently you guys saw Drifter D do a video on this. He has it as well. We've got the Legends S2000, the Hucker from the convention as well, and then obviously the blue R34. You guys love that. We've got Datsuns, the Super Treasure Hunt. We've got Chasers as well, if you guys are interested in Chasers. Your Alien 64s. We've got mystery cards as well. So if you guys want a bit of mystery, he has that as well. Mainlines. Those are not for sale. Those are purchased already. So it's kept there for collection, etc. And we've got your more rarer or the more worthwhile cards, right? Worthy cards. We've got, like I showed you, the Advent. It was in the doorstep as well. We've got a lot of these amazing cars. The ER34, you guys remember I did a video on this quite some time ago. Brilliant piece. We've got a Ferrari 250 California right there. We've got a bunch of Mainlines, right? I showed you guys that. We've got shortcuts, Japanese shortcuts as well. Right here, let me try to show you. So that, I believe it's a Nissan Z, right? Yeah, so before we speak to Jordan himself, I want to show you something else that he has. So he's got protectors. I know a lot of you like crisp cards, right? So you want protectors, he's got protectors. He will hook you up with them. He's got display cases. That's a 100-slot display case right there. We've got a Moonlight display case. You guys have seen this before, the Kaido House Mini GT display case. Then that lights up. We've got a bunch of display cases here as well. And then here are dioramas. So we've got an RWB diorama in black. We've got one in yellow as well. And the interior, the details, and the design is amazing on this. Even for this, trust me, this is something you gotta have in your collection. And obviously Jordan's the guy you get this from. We've got another JDM garage, so you know, for your R34s, your Supras, etc. And if you want like a complete set, he has the box sets as well. You guys remember we finally got this in a few videos ago, because we had to get the Agera R, so we had this in the channel. Obviously we've got the Nissan as well, the Datsuns. I've been looking for this for a long time because of their Senza, right? The Senza is something I really love. So if you guys want to get this, he's got 2 pieces of this. You guys got to check him out. And here we've got another shelf full of Mainlines. And I kind of like this. The reason is there are cards that I've never seen before, like the Easter egg exclusives. We've got this as well, the Datsun 620. We've got the Chevy Nova SSA Mac, right? And then we've got this as well. I mean, the cards itself, if you guys like cards, these are things you want to go for. We've got a Chevrolet card right there as well, brilliantly done. And yeah, from here, so that's about it, but almost not done yet. Here we've got all the amazing cars. So we've got a bunch of RLCs, your Matchbox RLCs as well, your Kaido houses. If you guys are looking for Kaido houses, this is where you come. We've got your M2s, your Tarmac Works. Let me just try to go the other way around so you guys can see a little bit more. So we've got your Mini GTs right here as well. You guys remember the Pop Race? We unboxed that a few videos ago. We've got the Kaido House and Mini GT models right there as well. The 5-year anniversary purple edition, right? One of 9999 in the world. Brilliant as well. I fear to get this, so we'll see how we get. And we've got wheels. If you guys want custom wheels, he's here as well. He's a guy with, so another collector, he actually brought his cars here and he's showing them off. Brilliant. So what's gonna happen now is, you guys notice I actually got the lights off, and I wanted to show you this. So if you guys ever want to bring your loose cars out here, you guys want to have a little photo shoot, you guys can use the diorama that Jordan has here in the collection. He's got 2 different backdrops. We've got here a little van with Deadpool in it, obviously. But yeah, if you guys want to do like a photo shoot, you guys want to have a car meet of sorts, you guys can do it here, right here with Jordan as well. I think this is a very amazing thing. He's got more cars, obviously. He also does he does collector cards right here as well for his own personal collection, etc. And yeah, that was a very short tour of his entire shop. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed the video. You know what, let me just try to get the lights on first. Let me just get the lights. The lights are coming back on, and there you go. Sorry about that. So yeah, if you guys, let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to visit here, once again, I'm going to put the address and his socials in the description below. You guys can check him out. He's got everything, guys, from mainlines to premiums, sets or individual pieces. He's got larger scale cars as well. I forgot to mention that. Ferrari racers, your speed machines, your customs, more mainlines, Japanese short cards, Japanese cards, your chasers, your 8064s, a bunch of premiums, a bunch of mainlines, sorry, here and there as well. And yeah, I will also do a video on this because this is a very special feature. Let me just try to see if you guys can, let me try to show it to you guys. So you guys can see the cockpit right there. So this is actually a space van, a 1979 model. I mean, I think Hot Wheels need to do more of this, right? Because it's really amazing. It's sick. It's a piece that I think every collector should have. But as I've heard, this is a very rare piece, so obviously every collector can't get. We've been to this shelf as well. Your protectors, just to do a quick recap, your display cases, your dioramas, your box sets right there as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other type of content you want to see. Let me know in the comments if you guys like this type of content, if you guys want to see more. If you have a shop, if you have a place you want to get me to do a similar video, let me know in the comments as well. But just like guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace. And of course, before we really end, you cannot come here and not get cars. So I got a bunch of cars. We've got the Lotus right here. We've got a Gamera to complete our Koenigsegg Hot Wheels set. We've got a very nice old Japanese car, and then obviously we've got the Chevy. And the reason why I want to show you the Chevy is because we've got the man, the legend, his autograph. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Peace.